Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt using curd. Making delicious homemade yogurt is simpler than you might think, and it starts with just a few key items. You'll need fresh milk, a small spoonful of existing curd as your starter, and clean, sterilized utensils. Using whole milk will give you a wonderfully rich and creamy texture, making your homemade yogurt a true delight. Let's get started on this rewarding culinary journey. The next crucial step involves preparing your milk perfectly. Gently heat about 1 liter of fresh milk to a temperature of 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. Remember to stir it continuously to prevent any scorching on the bottom of your pan. Once it reaches this temperature, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down. The ideal temperature for the next step is between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, or 40 to 46 degrees Celsius. Now comes the magic part, introducing your starter. Once your milk has cooled to the perfect temperature, gently stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of your existing curd. This small amount of starter contains the beneficial bacteria needed to transform the milk into yogurt. Ensure it's well mixed, then cover your container. Place it in a warm spot, ideally around 110 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it incubate undisturbed for 6 to 8 hours, or until it sets. After the incubation period, your yogurt should be beautifully set. Gently check its firmness. It should be thick and not watery. Once it's reached your desired consistency, transfer it to the refrigerator. Chilling the yogurt for at least 4 hours will stop the fermentation process and enhance its flavor and texture. Store your delicious homemade yogurt in an airtight container, and it will stay fresh and delightful for up to 1 week. Enjoy your fresh, creamy creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.